Another day, another English lesson. Common mistakes: miss and lose. Hello. Today we're going to talk about two very common English verbs that are often confused: miss and lose. One difference is that miss is a regular verb. Miss, missed, missed. And lost is an irregular verb. Lose, lost, lost. But these words can be confusing because they seem similar, but they have different meanings. Let's look at them carefully so you can understand how to use them correctly. The verb miss. The verb miss has several meanings depending on the situation. Here are the four most common ways we use it. 1. Missing an event or opportunity. When you don't attend something or don't take a chance, you miss it. Examples: I missed the meeting because I was sick. She missed the opportunity to study abroad. 2. Missing transportation. If you are late for a bus, train, or plane, you miss it. Examples: I missed the bus, so I had to walk to work. He missed his flight and had to book another one. 3. Miss is a sad emotion. When you feel sad because someone or something is not with you, you miss them. Examples: I miss my family when I'm away from home. She misses her old school. 4. Missing when trying to hit or reach something. When you try to hit or reach something but don't succeed, you miss it. Examples: he tried to catch the ball, but he missed. The arrow missed the target. 2. The verb lose. The word lose also has different meanings. Here are the most common ways we use it. 1. Not being able to find something. When you can't find something, you lose it. Examples: I lost my keys. Can you help me find them? She lost her phone at the park. 2. Having less of something. Weight, hair, interest. When you have less of something than before, you lose it. Examples: he lost 10 kilograms by exercising. My grandfather is losing his hair. I'm losing interest in this movie. 3. Not winning a game, match, or competition. When you don't win, you lose. Examples: our team lost the soccer game. I lost the chess match to my friend. Key difference between miss and lose. Miss is often about not being present, not reaching something, or feeling sad about someone or something. Lose is about not having something anymore, not finding something, or not winning. Now watch and complete the sentences with the correct form of the verb miss or lose. One. She missed the bus and had to wait for the next one. 2. She lost 5 kilograms by eating healthy food. 3. My dog misses me when I'm at school. 4. Our team lost the basketball game last night. 5. The golfer missed the cup. 6. They miss their hometown now that they live in the city. 7. I lost my pen. Can I borrow yours? 8. The cat jumped to catch the bird but missed. 9. I missed my chance to buy a Bitcoin for $1. 10. She lost her glasses and can't see clearly. 11. He missed most of the movie because he fell asleep. 12. She missed the train by just a few seconds. I hope you'll watch more worldwide ELT videos. See you soon, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.